I got cut off there, but I'm going to continue with this. So how do we know whether or not to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis with a p-value? Is, in case you missed it from last video, our p-value was 0.115, is we compare it with the alpha value. If p is less than alpha, reject the null hypothesis. If p is greater than alpha, the p-value is greater than alpha, fail to reject the null hypothesis. So let's see what we got. Our p-value was 0.115. Our alpha value from the homework, the value 0.01. Let's compare. The p-value is greater than alpha. When the p-value is greater than alpha, fail to reject the null hypothesis. Remember, if the p-value is less than alpha, reject the null hypothesis. If the p-value is greater than alpha, fail to reject null hypothesis. Sorry, the handwriting got bad there, but I think you get the idea. Okay, so that should help me with this. Reject the null hypothesis. Fail to reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is greater than alpha. Fail to reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is greater than alpha. Okay, and then we can interpret the decision. So remember, what was the claim? The claim was that class size was less than 31%. What do? We failed to reject. So we're not going to reject, we're going to fail to reject, we're going to embrace it. That means the alternative. Sounds like the brochure is lying to us. So at the 1% significance level, there is insufficient evidence to support the claim. There is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that class size is fewer than 31. There is not sufficient evidence to support that claim. Oops, wrong button. Okay. Alright, hopefully these videos work, and hopefully you guys are staying well and safe, and hopefully I will see you soon.